the Chief Justice of Mauritius. Now I will request Mr. S.K. Gupta, the former Chairman of Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh, to garland the Acting Chief Justice of Afghanistan. Now I will request Savitri Pandey, the Member Executive of Supreme Court Bar Association, to garland Chief Justice of Bahamas. Executive of Supreme Court Bar Association to garland. Burkina Faso Chief Justice. Mr. Pavitra Mohan Sharma will garland the Judge of Nepal, Supreme Court. Chief Justice of Uganda. Former President of Madras Bar Association to garland the Chief Justice of President of Seychelles. Former. Now I will request the Honorable Chief Justice of Namibia to say a few words.
Chief Justices, Your Excellency, former President of the Seychelles, Honorable Senior Judges from all jurisdictions all over the world, distinguished members of this very important association, the honor of which we have to be here today. I would like to most sincerely thank you, Mr. Chairman, for the very kind invitation that you have extended to us to be here tonight with you and to interact and share ideas. The previous speakers have had a lot to say. What it remains of me is only to record our sincere appreciation and thanks for the invitation and to wish you a very successful conference. I thank you indeed for the opportunity.
Thank you, my lord. Now I will request Honorable Sir James R. Mencham, the founding President of the Republic of Seychelles, to say a few words.
Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we assemble in the forum of eminent judges, successful lawyers, and other people employed in the business of justice. Although I took a political career, I happen also to have been called to the bar of the Honourable Society of the Middle Temple in London, and also did civil law at the University of Paris. Tonight I am somewhat compelled to try and dig out a little bit of my legal knowledge, which has gone a little bit sour over the years. Coming forward with such interesting but very pertinent legal slogan, if my recollection is well, justice must not only be done, but must be seen to be done. There's another one, he who seeks equity must do equity. Or do I have it right also that who seeks justice must come with clean hands? In this day and age, perhaps more than important than ever before, I believe as the time has come when all justices of the world must gather together on the basis of their commonalities, their respect for the rule of law, so that together we can create an association. Although we may not be able to put every one of our decisions into executive action, but an association which I believe could have impact internationally. I do not want to bring politics into the matter, but we do know, for example, the case of the judge who just been sacked not far away in Pakistan. Now, if we did have such an organization, we could protest against action of the executive to dismiss. I do not think that we are assembled here just for the sake of having a good time or passing a lot of resolutions of no importance. I think moment has come when we should think about forming, against the background of International Jurists Association, also an association of Chief Justices of the world. Whether we execute it or doesn't matter, but we'll be able to give a step to some of the executive decisions which are taken, which really goes contrary to the rule of natural justice. Thank you.
Now I will request the Chief Justice of Burkina Faso to say a few words.
Bon, je vais parler en français.
Want an interpreter again?
I want to speak in French, please.
So I'm offering myself as an interpreter.
Monsieur le Président de la présente cérémonie,
President of the ceremony,
honorable Président des juridictions suprêmes du monde,
Honorable President of the Supreme Court of Justice,
distingués magistrats invités,
distinguished magistrates and distinguished guests,
Mesdames, Messieurs,
ladies and gentlemen,
je voudrais tout d'abord vous remercier
I would like first of all to thank you
pour cette sympathique réception que vous nous offrez.
for this very sympathetic reception which you are offering.
Je dois dire que depuis notre arrivée ici à Delhi,
I must say that since our arrival here in Delhi,
nous sommes comblés de grande attention
we have been subjected to a lot of attention.
et nous sentons tous que la civilisation indienne est une civilisation très ancienne et très riche.
And we have all come to realize that the Indian civilization is not only an ancient civilization, but also a very rich civilization.
Mais vous êtes également le pays de Mahatma Gandhi,
You are also the country of Mahatma Gandhi,
cet homme de paix
this man of peace,
et qui pratiquement toute sa vie a cultivé la non-violence.
and who throughout his lifetime has cultivated the philosophy of non-violence.
Et puisque nous sommes ici entre juristes, entre juges,
And as we are here among legal people, judges and lawyers?
Le rôle fondamental du juge, c'est de faire régner la paix dans la cité.
The fundamental role of the judge is to ensure that peace reigns in the city.
Son rôle est également donc de rejeter la violence
His role, therefore, must also be one of rejecting violence
et de sanctionner tous ceux qui bafouent les droits humains
and to sanction all those who violate human rights.
et sur ce plan, les enfants.
And on this field, particularly children.
Les enfants ont besoin d'une protection particulière
Children has got to be subject to particular attention
parce qu'ils sont fragiles
because they are fragile.
et que nous avons le devoir de préparer leur avenir.
And we have got the duty to prepare for their future.
C'est la raison pour laquelle nous saluons l'action de CMS avec Jadick Gandhi
It is for this reason that we salute the action of CMS under Mr. Jagdish Gandhi.
Ce matin, du moins cet après-midi, nous avons entendu quelque chose de très joli.
This afternoon, we have listened to something really interesting.
Il a été dit, vous en souviendrez, que l'enfant, c'est le père de l'homme.
It has been said, you will remember, that the child is the father of man,
Parce que c'est l'homme de demain.
because the child is a man of tomorrow.
Et c'est donc la raison pour laquelle nous devons apporter une attention très particulière, nous les juges,
It is for this reason that we judges must have special consideration for children.
protection des droits de l'enfant au plan interne, par nos lois internes que nous devons appliquer,
Protection of the child within the framework of our own internal law, which we've got to apply,
mais également protection par application des normes internationales que nous devons également
but
appliquer.
equally protection commensurate with international law.
Parce que dans la plupart de nos pays, dès le moment où le pays a ratifié une convention, la ratification l'engage à appliquer cette convention.
Because from the moment any one of our nations become a signatory to a convention, it is our duty to give effect in the application of such convention.
C'est pourquoi je voudrais vous saluer tous ici,
That is why I'd like to salute all of you here this evening,
parce que nous sommes ensemble mobilisés
because we are all mobilized
pour préparer l'enfant,
to prepare the child,
pour protéger l'enfant,
to protect the child,
et que nous comprenons que c'est important,
and that we understand it is important
parce que les enfants, ce sont nos enfants,
because children are our children,
et nous avons le devoir
and we've got a duty
de leur préparer
to prepare
le meilleur avenir
the best future,
au plan de la santé,
full health,
au plan de l'éducation.
best education.
Quand on pense qu'aujourd'hui nous avons des enfants qui sont engagés dans des conflits armés,
When we realize that today we've got some of our children engaged in military conflict,
c'est dire que nous avons beaucoup de travail à faire.
it means that we've got a lot of work to do.
Donc, je pense que nos travaux nous permettront
I believe that our work together will permit us
de lancer des directives par rapport aux actions,
to launch initiatives vis-à-vis our objectives,
par rapport aux actions que nous devons entreprendre.
which we have to undertake.
Je souhaite plein succès à nos travaux, je vous souhaite bien bon appétit et je vous remercie.
I wish great success to our work and wish you all bon appétit.
Thank you, Honorable Chief Justice of Burkina Faso. Now I will request the